So I'm going to review her. Sorry about that. Cutie Mark Magic. Now, sorry for me standing, but actually more room. Let's go. Her name is Rays. She's part of the Cutie Mark Magic. I'm the one who reviewed the blind bags and the Twilight carriage. This came with the warning, don't touch, not suitable for young children. Ow. I don't want a splinter, surely not. Surely not an Easter holiday. Here's Honey Rays. Look at the Cutie Mark. Oh, it's got a bit of plastic on her hoof. And then her really, really big wings. Oh my god. Look at Twilight Sparkle's wings. Look at the difference. Ultra big. So it comes with one charm already on. I'm not sure if it comes with it already on or if it just happened to come this time. Hands just flamed. Hopefully I didn't lose them. Here they are, a lightning bolt and a flower. Let's customize this. And I'll put the lightning bolt on the other part. Cool. Now Honey Rays is going to wear her lovely wings. That's what she looks like with her ginormous wings. Anyways, but you can easily pop them off. The wings. See, there's a hole there. And it just inserts. Do it again. Oh, you can see me. I'll just insert. I thought it comes with glitter glue and you could customize it with glitter, but it was already handmade like that. Hasbro does a good job in toys. Let's get Twilight's carriage and customize it even more. Sorry, it's got cloudy or breezy. Not in this video. Customize the carriage with more charms. Yep, that's it. Please comment, like, subscribe to my next YouTube video.